When most people think about crypto, the first thing that comes to mind is buying Bitcoin or Ethereum with money they already have. But what if you don't have money to invest right now and you still want to earn your first dollars in crypto? The good news is in 2025, there are several legitimate ways to earn crypto for free without putting in upfront cash. Let's break it down step by step so you understand not just how to earn, but also how to actually withdraw and use it. Because earning tokens is one thing, but cashing out is what makes it real. First, learn and earn programs, the easiest start. One of the safest ways to earn crypto without investing is through learn and earn programs. Platforms like Coinbase Learn, Binance Academy, and sometimes even wallet apps like Trust Wallet or OKX reward you with small amounts of tokens just for watching short educational videos or answering quizzes. You might learn about a new project, watch a 2 to 3 minute video, answer a quiz, and boom, you get $2 to $10 worth of that token. It's not life-changing money, but it's risk-free. And for a beginner, it gives you your first wallet balance without spending a cent. This is perfect for dipping your toes into the crypto space and testing withdrawals later. Secondly, crypto faucets and micro earning sites. Crypto faucets have been around since Bitcoin's early days. A faucet is basically a website that gives out tiny fractions of crypto, usually in exchange for solving captchas, clicking ads, or completing micro tasks. Sites like Coin2Ply, Free Bitcoin, or Fire Faucet lets you claim small rewards. It's not fast. You might only earn cents per day, but again, it's free crypto with zero risk. These are best if you want to experiment with transactions, because even moving a small faucet payout teaches you how wallets and networks work. Next, play to earn in gaming rewards. This is where things get more exciting. Play to earn, or P2E, and blockchain based games let you earn crypto or NFTs just by playing. One of the popular examples was Bomb Crypto, where you manage NFT heroes then mine tokens for you. In Bomb Crypto, you earn the project's native token, right? BCOIN, by letting your heroes farm resources. Once you've earned enough tokens, you can withdraw them to a supported exchange wallet. From there, you swap them into more stable cryptocurrencies like USDT, BUSD, or directly into fiat. While many P2E projects fluctuate in profitability, they can still be a solid way to earn without investing real money upfront, especially if the game gives you a starter characters for free or runs events that reward new users. Next, airdrops and community rewards. Another powerful method is airdrops when crypto projects distribute free tokens to promote adoption. For example, in the past, projects like Uniswap or Arbitrum gave out tokens to early users that became worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars later. The trick here is to use new platforms early. Sometimes just creating a wallet, swapping once, or bridging tokens can make you eligible. There are also Discord and Telegram communities that host giveaways, quizzes, or engagement contests. If you are consistent, you can rack up some decent free crypto this way, right? So, making your first dollars in crypto without investing is absolutely possible. You can start small with learn and play, learn and earn, test out faucets, dive into play to learn games like Bomb Crypto, or hunt for airdrops and referral rewards. Then, once you've earned enough, you will go through the process of withdrawing to stable coins and eventually cashing out. So, that first withdrawal, even if it's just $5 or $10, hits differently. It's proof that the system works and it motivates you to explore bigger opportunities in the crypto space. So, whether you are tapping faucets on your phone, grinding away in a P2E game, or answer quizzes on Coinbase. Just know you are already on your way to building real digital income without putting in a single dollar. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.